Damn, that's so cold. What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. It's your boy Luke. Thanks for joining me again. So today, this will be another quick install for you. This is the Revel GT carbon fiber fuse box cover overlay for the 15 to 21 WRX STI. Guys, this is a really nice piece made in Japan. In the box, you got a little bit of directions on what you need to do. It's got some gloves, got some cleaner, primer, and so forth. So for this one, how this works, and by the way, underneath the box you got your 3M tape that comes with it already. So what this does, this literally goes over your stock fuse box cover just like that. Obviously I'm not pressing down on it, I already tested it, it fits really well. So you put your gloves on, you literally take your cleaner, clean down the surface over here, then you take your primer, you wipe it down. It's almost like an adhesion promoter for this piece right here. Then you peel off the 3M tape and put it on. And that's really it. Guys, I really don't have to show you guys how to take off your fuse box cover, right? It's literally a couple clips and pull it up. All right, so let's get on with it. Okay, so a couple things. Those gloves are made for people with tiny hands. My hands literally ripped through those things the moment I tried to even fit them on. I don't know how much you saw from the time lapse, but it was pretty bad. As I said before, the cleaner is actually pretty cool. Then you have the adhesion promoter right here. Then you see me peel off the backing of the 3M tape. And once you put it on, it's a really nice fit, nice and flush. You press it firmly from the inside and this side right here, so you squish it together, and then let's go put this bad boy in. So for most people, they won't have any problems doing this. Oh, by the way, guys, did I forget? Got this from Import Image Racing, in case anybody was wondering. All this stuff is going to be in the description. Give me a second. While I'm here, let me just clean this bad boy down. Don't want any dust or anything like that. So most of you guys won't have all these extra ground wires and stuff like that, so it'll actually be very easy for, I would say, a whole 99% of you. For me though, it's always something. And that's really it. Boom, boom, nice and tucked. And everything is good. That's really it. Make sure you put it in. You hear the tabs click, and that's it. So to take it out, squeeze these two tabs right here, and you can pull it up. The box is in, baby. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. As I promised you guys, this is a really nice short video. As I said, got this from Import Image Racing. Everything is going to be in the description. Definitely like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. That piece is freaking beautiful. That weave is fantastic. And it complements my freaking Redline series alternator cover right here. Damn. Wow. This weave is freaking exquisite though. This is beautiful. This is a really nice overlay. Guys, you're definitely not going to be disappointed. As I said again, like, subscribe, comment, and I will talk to you soon. Take it easy.